climate change. Before departing Oslo, I was inspired to write a song because of our strong commitment during the conference to preserve the environment. In Jakarta, I collaborated with the renowned composer Erwin Gutawa, who arranged the music, which we titled Untuk Bumi Kita, meaning for our world in Indonesia. It was then sung by Sandi Sondoro, one of the prominent singers in Indonesia. 3 years later, in 2013, a musician from the US, Jeff Lober, translated the song into English titled Save Our World. Jeffrey Piscato, an American singer, sang this version. In this video, in the new version of Save Our World, arranged by Topati, 35 Indonesian artists from different generations lend their voices to sing this beautiful song. It is a call to action, inviting every country and everyone to join hands to protect our future generation from climate disaster. Together, we can make a difference. Enjoy the video and let us act now to save our world.
Come with me now and pray for Mother Earth. I hope someday we all will understand.
Believe each one of us could do one tiny part.
We could save the garden we live in. Come with me now and save the Mother Earth.
From the forest to the sky.
Can we all just believe we can change everything?
For the future of our children, of our life.
Let's be one, let's be one together. Make a change forever. We can do it if we just try. Save our world from our own destruction. Time to make a difference.
All it takes is you and I. Raise your hand up and pray to the one that you pray.
To protect our children's children, let us pray.
Bumi kita ini taman kehidupan.
Hutan dan lautan biru, langit biru.
Mari kita bersama jaga kerusakan.
Bersatulah wahai bangsa sedunia. Bersatu, bersatu, bersatulah kawan. Make a change forever. We can do it if we just try.
Save our world from our own destruction. Time to make a difference. All it takes is you and I.
to protect our children. Let us pray.